Morning everyone. Today I'm going to read a story from my big cat book, Furry Tales by Lynley Dodd, and it is called The Minister's Cat ABC. The minister's cat is an airborne cat. The minister's cat is a busy cat. The minister's cat is a crazy cat. The minister's cat is a dizzy cat. The teacher's cat is an empty cat. The teacher's cat is a fluffy cat. The teacher's cat is a greedy old cat. The teacher's cat is a huffy cat. The doctor's cat is an impish cat. The doctor's cat is a jumpy cat. The doctor's cat is a keen-eyed cat. And the doctor's cat is a lumpy cat. Grandma's cat is a marmalade cat. Grandma's cat is a nosy cat. Grandma's cat is an owlish cat. Grandma's cat is a posing cat. The farmer's cat is a quarrelsome cat. The farmer's cat is a rough cat. The farmer's cat is a sneaky old cat. The farmer's cat is a tough cat. The postman's cat is an upside down cat. The postman's cat is a vexed cat. The postman's cat is a worrisome cat. The postman's cat is an X-rayed cat. The postman's cat is a scaredy cat. The postman's cat is also fidgety cat, a fuming cat. The postman's cat is a yowling cat. The postman's cat is a zooming cat. The end. I thought maybe we could go on a scavenger hunt. So what we have to do is go and find something that matches the letter of the alphabet or the letter of your name. So I'm going to start with avocado for A. And I have a book for B. And it's a back to front book. And for C, I have a carrot. So I'm going to go and finish the rest of my alphabet. Maybe you'd like to start yours and post a picture. Bye everyone.